Have you ever heard don't get in the sauna because it hurts muscle growth? Do you believe it's a myth or is it true? Let's break it down. If you hit the gym, lift weights, you've probably heard this before. Saunas kill your gains. They dehydrate you. They drain nutrients. They're fake weight loss. Today we're cutting through the noise. I'm going to break down exactly what the sauna does to your body, what it does not do, and how to use it without sabotaging muscle growth or fat loss. No hype, no fear-mongering. Just real talk you can apply immediately. Let me start with this clearly. The sauna does not kill muscle growth. Your body is not fragile. It does not lose muscle just because you got hot. When you step into heat, your body activates heat shock proteins. These are protective systems that help repair muscle cells and support recovery after hard training. Think about a brutal leg day. Heavy squats, lunges, RDLs. Your muscles are sore, tight, and beat up. And a short sauna session afterward can increase blood flow and help your muscles recover faster, not shrink. What actually hurts gains is inconsistent training, low protein intake, poor sleep, and chronic dehydration. The sauna isn't the problem. Bad habits are. Now here's where people get confused. Yes, the sauna does dehydrate you. That weight you see drop on the scale after a sauna session is water weight. Not fat, not muscle, just water. If you walk out of the sauna and don't rehydrate, your performance will suffer. Strength drops, pumps disappear, recovery slows. Not because the sauna destroyed your muscle, but because muscle is mostly water and you didn't replace what you lost. Hydration fixes this. Water and electrolytes. Simple. Another big myth is that you sweat out important nutrients. You are not sweating out protein or muscle tissue. You are losing electrolytes, mainly sodium and potassium. If you train hard, sweat a lot, and use the sauna regularly without replacing electrolytes, you'll notice cramping, fatigue, and weaker workouts. That's not muscle loss. That's poor mineral balance. Salt your food properly and stay hydrated, and the problem disappears. Now let's talk fat loss, because this one hurts feelings. The sauna does not burn fat in any meaningful way. Sweat does not equal fat loss. The scale may move, but it's temporary. If you sit in the sauna every day but eat in a calorie surplus, you won't lose fat. Fat loss still comes from calorie control, training hard, and consistency over time. The sauna helps recovery. Better recovery helps training. Better training supports fat loss. That's the real connection. Now let's talk about how long you should actually stay in. Most benefits come from short, controlled sessions. Long enough to stimulate recovery, short enough to avoid excessive dehydration and stress. Staying in extreme heat for long periods, chasing sweat like it's a badge of honor, is not discipline, it's ego. Past a certain point, heat becomes stress. Stress hurts recovery. Stress hurts sleep. Stress hurts gains. The sauna becomes a problem when you stay in too long, don't hydrate properly, use it excessively without recovery days, or ignore warning signs like dizziness, weakness, or nausea. Your body always gives feedback. Strong people listen to it. The sauna is a tool, not a shortcut. It will not replace training, nutrition, sleep, or consistency. Use it correctly, and it supports your progress. Use it incorrectly, and it becomes another excuse. Lift hard, recover smart. Hydrate like it matters, because it does. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Let me know if you use the sauna and how you use it. I'll see you in the next one.